OpenAI has come up with a brand new update, and it is not about GPT-5, but it's still a special one. They have launched two open source model, and the name of this model is GPT-OSS. And this is Sam Altman's tweet. He has said we have made an open source model that performs at the level of O4 mini and runs on an high-end laptop, and a smaller model that runs on a phone. And this is the link, so you can just go to openai.com/openmodels. And the name of these two models is GPT-OSS 120 billion parameter, that's the high-end model that runs on high-end desktop and laptop, and another one is GPT-OSS 20 billion parameter that can run on medium computing power. And here we are having the Hugging Face link. We are also having the GitHub. You can try running it locally if you have Olama or LLM Studio also. And in case if you want to try it online, here we are having this try our models, and it takes you to this particular link. Here you can switch, change it, also like change the reasoning power and try it out over here. Now let's see about the benchmark of these models. So for that we are having this model performance. We can just click it. So both these models are available under the flexible Apache 2.0 license. The 120 billion model, which comes closer to OpenAI's O4 mini, requires 80 GB GPU, and the GPT-OSS 20 billion with 16 GB of memory. So this is the requirements if you're trying to run it in local. And these models also support their chain of thoughts and the structured outputs. And the context length of these models are 128K. That's kind of less because nowadays we are having models of 1 million. So here is the evaluation metric, and we are going for Codeforce's coding competition, and this is the 120 billion model, and this is the 20 billion model. And here we are having O4 mini. The ELO for O4 mini is 2700, and this comes like 100 points down. That's not bad, it's almost close to it. And even the 20 billion model, it's also like 100 points close to it. So you can see how accurate these open source models are. And next is Humanities last exam, and here we are having the 120 billion. O3 comes with 24, and 20 billion also comes quite closer. That's really amazing of 20 billion model, because even having 6 times the less number of parameters, it's kind of same to the 120 billion accuracy. And in terms of math, I guess they stand on par. Like look at this, 120 billion, 20 billion, it's just so same to O3 and O4 mini. And in PhD level science questions, 120 billion comes close to O3 and O4 mini, whereas the 20 billion takes a dip over here. So this is the availability and the requirement. We have already seen this earlier, and they have also partnered with so much of these platforms. You can just try it out. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.